Yeah, they got to go back to work. You know, nothing personal, but I hope I never see these guys at my house.
I know, right?
Especially this bunch here.
Yeah, the medics, that's who we don't want to see.
Be still. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Did you know that over 99% of our watchers are not subscribers? If you're going to watch, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps the channel immensely. And for now, this is Grandpa, Buddy, and Grandma Boo signing off. We love you all. Have a great day.